Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna balls using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need canned tuna, breadcrumbs, an egg, and your favorite seasonings. Make sure to have a mixing bowl and a baking sheet on hand. A crucial first step is to thoroughly drain your canned tuna to avoid a watery mixture, which helps the balls hold their shape better. Now let's get mixing. In your bowl, combine the drained tuna with about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and your chosen seasonings, like garlic powder and onion powder. Next, add 1 beaten egg or 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to help bind everything together. Use your hands to mix until well combined, then roll the mixture into uniform, bite-sized balls, roughly 1 inch in diameter. This ensures even cooking. It's time to cook. You have a couple of great options. For baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tuna balls on a baking sheet and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and crispy. If you prefer, you can pan fry them in a little oil over medium heat until they are golden on all sides. Serve these warm with a delicious dipping sauce like tartar or sriracha mayo. To elevate your tuna balls, don't hesitate to experiment with various herbs and spices, such as fresh parsley or a pinch of lemon zest, to find your perfect flavor profile. These are fantastic as an appetizer, a light lunch, or even as a protein boost in salads. Leftover tuna balls can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making them great for meal prep. For more kitchen hacks and deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.